Okay, dear students, we will practice 50 exercises on SolidWorks software. So in this first video, I will teach you 5 or 10 lessons actually. So this is the first exercise, second, third, fourth till 10th exercise. Okay. So now in the first exercise, we will see this model. Okay. Here we have a 3D model. On the left side we have third angle projections of this model. Here we have front view, top view and right side view. So first of all, we must decide in which view we will begin this drawing and which view will be easier for us to continue. So as per the figure, most of the information is available in the front view. So we will begin in front plane. So open SolidWorks, new file. So here are 3 different modes. Now we are drawing a part, so we will choose part, click OK. Now this is your front view. Okay, first of all we will draw this shape, then we will give the dimensions. Go to front plane, sketch, select line, go to origin and start drawing this shape. Okay, without dimensions. First you need to create the shape, later on you can go for the dimensions. So this is your shape, click OK, go to smart dimension, then do the dimensioning. The length of the front view is 80. Okay, select this, 80, enter, and this angle here, it is 45. So in order to give the angle, you need to click on the 2 lines. Yani click on the first line, click on the second line and drag it and click and give the desired angle. And you need to give the length. If you need to give the length between 2 points, click on the first point, click on the second point and then drag. If you drag horizontally or vertically, it will give you like this. So to give the vertical distance, you need to go like this. To give the horizontal distance, you need to go downside. So it is 10. This distance here is also 10. Then the height here, the complete height is 40. Okay, so this thing will be 30. This is 10. Okay, now I think the figure is fully defined. Okay, this distance, we need to specify this distance. The distance here is, the radius is 10, this radius is 20, that means this is 40. Go here, specify this distance is 40, enter. Now the figure is fully defined. Click OK. Go to features. Now you need to know the width. What is the width of this portion? Okay, in the top view, if you see here, the complete width of the figure is 40 mm, whereas the width of only this portion is 30 mm. You can see in the right side view, this portion is 30 mm. That means the remaining portion, this portion will be 10 millimeters. Okay, from here to here it is 30, and this extra portion is 10. Total is 40. 30 from here to here, then from here to here 10. Okay, so now we are only extruding this lower part, so we will give a distance of 30. Okay, so go to Extruded Boss Base, change the direction, give it extrusion up to 30 millimeters. Click OK. Now we need to draw this shape. Okay, so first of all we need to create a hole of radius 10 millimeters on this. Okay, or you can create this shape, then later on you can create the hole. Okay, so here the diameter of this bigger circle is 40 mm. That means the radius is 20 mm. Okay, so first of all go here, you need to draw the circle here. So click, select normal to, go to the sketch, select circle, then go to the midpoint, click, drag, click OK, go to smart dimension, select 40 diameter. Okay, again you need to draw a circle, or you need to draw a line, because we don't need complete circle here, we need only semicircle, so we don't need this portion. So draw a line from this quadrant to the right quadrant, then we need to trim the unwanted entities. Okay, we don't need this. Click OK, go to features, Extruded Boss Base. If you want to see the direction, select isometric view. Okay, so here as we discussed earlier, so the total width is 40. That means this from here to here it is 40. So this distance here is 30, so the remaining will be 10 millimeters. So we need to give here 10 millimeters width. So this is 10, then click OK. So click on escape button. Okay, now what is remaining? This hole is remaining, which is of radius 10. So click this face, go normal to, select sketch, circle, go to the midpoint, click and drag, click OK, select smart dimension, give it a diameter of 20, enter, then click OK, go to features. Now we don't need the portion inside this circle, so we will cut it. Go to Extruded Cut, click through all, then click OK. Press escape to bring this into isometric view. Control 7. This is the shortcut. Okay, you can also change this from here, from the heads up toolbar. Okay, so this is the front view. Control 1, Control 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Then for isometric view you can press Control 7. Okay. So this is the first exercise. Okay. Now let's go for exercise number 2. For this, you decide the view in which you are going to draw this. So now simply we can consider this model and divide it into two parts. First is the base, then the upper portion. So the base will be this, okay, which is of length 70 and height 20. Okay, 70 20 in front view. So let's go to the front plane, sketch, select rectangle. From the origin, draw a rectangle, click OK, go to features, so go to smart dimension, give it a length of 70 and height of 20. Okay, 70 and 20. Now what is the width? Okay, the width here is 40 mm, yani from here to here it is 40 mm. Then click OK, go to features, extruded boss base, give it a width of 40. Okay, then click OK. So now if you see here we have fillets. Okay, so what is the radius of the fillet? 10. Here also it is 10. For this you need to go to fillet, select the radius 10. If it is 10 here, okay. If it is not 10, you need to change this to 10 mm. Then select the edges, this edge and this edge. We need two edges 10 mm. Then click OK. Now what is remaining? Here there is a circle. This circle is at a distance of 50 from here, and it is 20 from this side. Okay, so first of all we need to select the face, select normal to, go to sketch, select circle, draw a circle at any point, click OK, go to smart dimension. So we need to specify the distance from this center to the beginning of this part. Okay, to fully define the sketch we need to do this. Okay, so it is 50, enter, and from the center to this point the distance is 20, enter, then click OK. We need to specify the radius as well. So here the diameter of this circle is 20, so click here, give it 20, then click OK. Now it is fully defined. Go to features, we need to cut this portion, so go to extruded cut, through all, then click OK. Then again press Ctrl 7. Okay, now the base is ready. On this base we need to construct this shape. Okay, to construct this shape we will use these dimensions. Okay, here if you see this distance here is 20, and this is 20, this is also 20, and on the right side view if you see here this distance is 20. Now this is 20. Okay, so here it is given the distance from here to here, it is 30. Okay, from here to here the distance is 30. Now in the top face we need to construct this shape which looks like a C. Okay, so let's construct this shape. Click on the face, select normal to, go to sketch, select line, start from here, go upside, okay, give some random clicks, make sure that you are following horizontal and vertical, and make the C shape, okay, then click OK, go to smart dimension. Now you need to give this distance 20, and this is also 20, and from here to here the distance is 20. No, it's Control Z. I think you need to move it a little bit, or you can give this distance, okay. Go to smart dimension, this is 30. Actually it took some random stuff, so press Ctrl Z several times, okay. So now this distance you need to give smart dimension, this distance is 30, and now give this as 20, okay. So 20, this is 10, this is also 10. So now this figure is fully defined. Click OK, go to features. So we need to know the height before giving the extruded boss base command. So we need to know this height. So the complete height here is 40. From the bottom to top the height is 40. Here this distance is 20. So this distance is, here the height of the base is 20. The total distance, the total height is 40. So the remaining height will be 40 minus 20, which is 20, okay. So go to features, extruded boss base. To know the direction, select isometric. So make it 20, select OK, then press escape, okay. So this is your view. So what is remaining here? Here you can see it is not a complete C shape. So this section is chamfered here, okay. So what is the distance here? 20, 20. So this height is 20 and this is also 20. We need to make a triangle and cut through this section. So how to do it? Click this face, go normal to, select sketch, line. We need to make a triangle like this. Then click OK, go to smart dimension. This distance is 20 and this distance is also 20, okay. No need to give this distance because it's already 20, okay. So you can delete it if you want, okay. Then go to features, go to extruded cut. Here if you select through all and click OK, so press Ctrl 7. So if you press through all, both of them will be, both of the C sections will be any cut like this. So if you don't need that to happen, you can select, go to cut extrude, go to edit feature and select blind, okay, and give it a distance like this. Or you can select up to next, then it will take only one portion. It will not go into the next stage. Okay, so click OK, then only one part will be cut. So I think the figure is complete now. Let's go to the next exercise, exercise 3. So here also we will proceed with the top view. Here 20, 40, 40, then you need to close it. Okay, you need to create this shape, then give the dimensions. So go to top plane. Okay, go to sketch, select line. So we need to draw this shape. Okay, go straight, right, downside, and connect like this, then click OK. Now we will give the dimensions. So go to smart dimension. This is 40, this is also 40, this is 20. Now the figure is fully defined. Click OK. Then we need to know the width. So what is the width of this base? So this is the shape of the base. Okay, the height of the base is 10. Okay, so we will extrude to a distance 10 millimeters. Okay, so it's already 10 here, then simply click OK. Now your shape is ready. Now what is remaining here? The cube is remaining. Okay, what are the dimensions of the cube? The length is 20, height is 20, width is also 20. Okay, 20, 20, 20. Now click on this face, go to normal to. Okay, now go to sketch, select rectangle, start from this corner, draw any square, click OK. Go to smart dimension. Here it is 20, this is also 20. Now the figure is fully defined. Click OK. Go to features, select Extruded Boss Base. Now in order to see the direction, you need to go for isometric. Now select here, the height is 20. Okay, then click OK. Now press escape. So this is your figure. Okay, exercise 3 also completed. Now let's go for exercise 4. So now in this figure also we will create the base first, then we will create this part, then we will go for this part. Okay, so the base, the length of the base is 60, height is 10. This is 60, this is 10. Which view? This is front view. Okay, so select a new file, select front view or front plane, go to sketch, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle first, click OK, then give the dimensions 60, length 60, height 10. So go to smart dimension, length is 60, height is 10, click OK, go to features. Now we need to know the width. What is the width here? Width is given in the top view or in the right side view. So this is the width, 40. So give it a width, go to Extruded Boss Base, select 40. Okay, click OK. So now what is remaining? This portion. Okay, so first of all we will create this portion. So here we need to construct this rectangle. So here the bigger circle, the diameter is 40. Okay, so from here to here it is 40 millimeters. Okay, and this is 20. So 40, 20, you will get a rectangle on the top face. Click on the top face, click normal to, okay, go to sketch, select rectangle, start from here, draw a rectangle, click OK, then go to smart dimension, click this line, it is 40, and this is 20, and click OK. Now in order to extrude it, we need to know the height. What is the height of this portion? Okay, if you see here, from the bottom till the center it is 20, and again this is diameter 40. That means the radius from here to here, the radius is half of it, yani 20. From here to here it is 20, and from here to here also it is 20. The total height is 40, but we have this height already. Okay, so from total 40 we will remove this 10. That means remaining height will be 30. From here to here it is 20, and from here to here it is 20. So total height is 30 mm. Okay, so now go to features, select extruded boss base. To see the direction, select isometric view and give it a height of 30. Then click OK. Now, and click escape. Now you need to have this shape. This can be considered as a fillet because it has, like, if you give a fillet shape here and here of 20, it will convert into the semicircle. Okay, now go to fillet. So what is the diameter here? 40. That means radius will be 20. So go here, select the radius, make it 20, and select the edges. So this is the first edge, this is the second edge. Okay, edge 1, edge 2, click OK. Now you will get a fillet. Okay, now what is remaining here? There is a circular hole inside, so which is of diameter 20. Okay, so it will be from the same center from which the fillet is constructed. So just take a circle of diameter 20 and place it from the same center. Okay, now in order to do this, select this face, select normal to, go to sketch, select circle. First of all, we need the center. Now the center is not visible. Once you place the cursor on the fillet body, you will start seeing the center point. Click on the center point, click and drag. Okay, then click OK, go to smart dimension, give it a diameter of 20, then it is fully defined. Go to features, we need to cut this portion, so we will select extruded cut, then through all, then click OK, then again press Ctrl 7 to see the isometric view. Okay, now we need this shape. Okay, so in order to draw this shape, we can construct a rectangle on the top face. Click here. Okay, now select sketch, select rectangle, from here to here place a rectangle and click OK, go to smart dimension. So here we don't need the dimension here. Okay, we can click this line and give it a dimension of 20, then click OK, because it is already 20 and we started from here, so no need to give any other dimension. Then go to features. So what is the height of this section? the height here is, if the fillet is 10, that means from here to here the distance is 10. So select the extruded boss base. To see the direction, select isometric view, give the height of 10, click OK. Now we need to make it as a fillet of radius 10. So go to fillet, change the radius to 10 and select this edge, then click OK. Now your fillet is done, and also the figure. Okay, so this is your exercise number 4. Now let's go to exercise 5. Okay, again here we will divide this figure into 3 parts. So this is the base, the triangle, and this shape. Okay, C shape. First of all, we need to create the base. The length of the base is 60 and height is 10. Okay, 60, 10 in the front view. So again open front view. Which view? Front view. Okay, 60, 10. Go to front plane, sketch, rectangle, place a rectangle, go OK, go to smart dimensions, 60, 10. So click OK. Before going to the feature, you need to know the distance, the width. You have length and height. Now you need the width. What is the complete width of this shape? Okay, so what is the width? 50. Okay, so go to features, extruded boss base. Now make it 50, click OK. Now the base is ready, but the base is L shaped. Okay, so here first of all let's make it L shape. So here the distance is 30, from here to here 30. Okay, and this is 20. So we need to make a line 30, 20, no, 30 from here, 20 from here. Okay, then this portion is so if we need this portion, the total is 60. Okay, if the total is 60, this is 30, this is also 30, and the height, the width is 50, and this portion is 20. So this is also this is 50 minus 20, which will be 30. Okay, that means it is 30, 30, 30 and 20. So now for this, go to the top plane, select normal to, then go to sketch, select line, start from here, or you can start from midpoint. Okay, because this is 60, so if you start from the midpoint, it will be 30. So this is the midpoint. Go straight, okay, go right side, so okay, till end. Okay, So we need to cut this portion. Okay, simply click OK. So go to features, extruded cut, click OK. Again, in order to see the isometric view, Control 7. Okay, so now here we have fillets, 2 fillets. Actually he given 3 fillets. Okay, 3 fillets of radius 10. So 1, 2, 3. These are the 3 fillets which are of radius 10. So let us give these 2 fillets of radius 10. So now go to fillet, select the radius 10, select the edges. So we need this edge and this edge. Then click OK. So we have made the fillets. Now the base is completed. Now we will construct this triangle. So this triangle can be constructed from the left side view. Okay, so we need to know the dimensions of this triangle. So see here in the top view, this is 50, yani this complete thing is 50, and this is 10, yani this is 10. 50 minus 10 will be 40. So this is 40. Then the height here, this height is given here as 20. Okay, 50, 20. Then complete the triangle. Then give it a width of 10. So this thing is 10. So that means 40, 20, complete the triangle. Then give it a width of 10. So in which view it is visible? In left side view. So now let's choose the left side view. Okay. Okay, now go to sketch, select this plane face, select line. So we need 40, 20. Okay, so from here like this, or yes. So now click OK, go to smart dimension. This is 40 and this is 20. Okay, then click OK, go to features, extruded boss base. In order to see the direction, again go to isometric. Now it is going in the opposite direction, but we need in this direction. Okay, and adjust the width to 10 millimeters. Okay, it is 10 millimeters. Then click OK. Now your triangle is completed. Now what is remaining? This portion. Okay, so this portion can be constructed in the back side view. So this is front view. If you are watching it from this is your front view. If you go to back side, this is your back side view. Okay, that means you are watching it from the back. So you will construct this shape. Okay, this one, but in the reverse direction. Okay, so you will start like this. So the height is 20, this is 20, then 10, 30. So first of all you need to construct this shape, then you can give the dimensioning. Okay, so now go back to the heads up toolbar, select back side view. This is your back side view. Click here, select sketch, line starting from here. So this height is 20. Okay, no need to change this. So after that give it a length, then construct the shape first. So we need till here, so take the help of snap, then complete this figure. Okay, now the figure is closed. Click OK. Now do the dimensioning. This thing is 20, here this is 10, this thing is 30. See here, this is 30, and okay, let us keep it 30 first. So this is 30. Now you need this height. What is the height of this one? So go here. In the right side view, the height is given as 50 from the bottom. Okay, so here it is 10, that means it is 40. Okay, so if this is 10, it will be 40 from here. If it is 40 from here, then from here it will be 30. Okay, so this is 30, this is 40, this is 50. So, or you can give from here directly, it is 40. Okay, no need to give the height here. Now this figure is fully defined. Click OK and go to features. You need to know the width. Before going to the features, you need to know this width. What is the width? So here this width is 20 minus 10. So this is 10. So this total is 20. That means this distance is 10. Okay. So go back, go to features, extruded boss base. To know the direction, you should convert it to isometric. Okay, now it is going outside. You can change the direction and make it inside. Okay, then the distance is 10. Click OK. Then to hide these lines, press escape. Now here we have one more fillet. Last time you remember we placed only 2 fillets. One fillet here, one fillet here. But here there are total 3 fillets. So that remaining one fillet is here, which is of radius 10. So go back, select fillet, select radius 10, and this is the edge where we need the fillet. Click OK. Then your figure is done. Okay. So this is your exercise number 5. Okay. Now let's go to exercise number 6. So here, first of all, let's decide in which view we will draw this model. So I think top view is better. So where most of the information is there. So here the diameter is 40. That means this distance is 40, and this is 30. The total length is 60. So the radius here is 20. That means this remaining distance here is 40. Okay. So let's begin new drawing. Select top view. Go to sketch. So first of all, we will place this circle of diameter 40. Go to circle, place it at the center, click OK, diameter, give it a diameter of 40. Okay, then click OK, select line, start from the quadrant. It is okay, just place a line. Okay, then again select one more line, place it like this. So now we need to know the distance. This is 30, it's already given. So go to smart dimension, make it 30, enter. Now for this, as I explained before, this complete distance from here to here is 60. Okay, from here to here the distance is 60. So here from this center to this it is 20. The remaining will be 40. So this distance will be 40. Enter. Now we need to connect these two lines. Select a line, connect. It's not connected. Delete and connect these two lines. Then click OK. Now we need to delete the internal portion. Okay, we need to make it a single part. Then go to trim entities, click and drag. Now this is your figure. Okay, now click OK, and we need to know the height in this case. So what is the height? 40. So go back to features, select Extruded Boss Base, give it a height 40, then click OK. Okay, now you need to make a step here, but the step is not straight. It is not straight, it is inclined. Okay, so this can be done in the top face. So click the top face, click normal to, go to sketch, line. So you need to start from here, this point, the quadrant. Okay, click here, make a line, straight line. Okay, and again come like this, then close it, then click OK. Okay, so here go to smart dimension. This distance is 10 and this distance is also 10, but I have drawn two parallel lines. You can see here, these two are the parallel lines, so no need to specify 10 here again. So the distance 10 here, this is also 10. So now we need to cut it. So till the, what is the distance here? It is 10. Okay, so now click OK, go to features, Extruded Cut, and select any. First you need to see the isometric view, so see the direction. Once the direction is okay, give it a depth of 10, click OK. Now it is gone. So now for this shape, what is the depth? So it is 10, it is 20. And complete from the top, it is at a depth of 30. Okay, from the top face, this face is at a depth of 30 millimeters. So now select this face, select normal to, go to sketch, line, and draw this shape. So it is already fully defined. Go to features, Extruded Cut, see the direction and give it a depth of 30. Okay, then click OK. Press escape. This is your exercise number 6. Okay, now let's go for next exercise, exercise number 7. So for this also we will divide this model into 3 parts. So this is the first part, base, this will be your second part, and this will be your third part. So the base will be created in the front view, which is of 60. So this is 60. Okay, 60 and height 10. Okay, this is 60, this is 10. So now file, select front plane. Okay, go to sketch, select rectangle, draw a rectangle, click OK. Now what is the size of the rectangle? This from here to here, it is 60, as can be seen in the top view, 60 and 10. So go to smart dimension, select this, give it a length of 60 and height of 10. Click OK. Now we need to know the width. What is this width? So this width is 40. Okay, so go to features, extruded boss base, give it a width of 40, then click OK. Press escape to hide these lines. Now we will create this second part. Okay, so first of all we need to know the dimensions of this part. So here in the front view, see, this portion is 10, this is 10. After that, this portion is radius 10. Okay, radius 10. After that, this is again 10. Okay, so this portion is also 10. Here you can see the total height is 30 from here. That means from the top of this one, it will be, from here to here it will be 20. From the base it is 30. That means it is already 10. This height is 10. That means from here to here it is 20. So 20, 10, then radius 10, then 10, then close. First of all we will create a box of 20, 20, then we will cut this portion. You will see it now. Click this face, normal to, go to sketch, place a square first, then click OK. Go to dimension, so this is 20 and this is also 20. Now click OK. Now we don't need a complete square, we need a quarter circle. Okay, so go to circle, click here, click OK, go to smart dimension, select this and give it a radius 10 means diameter 20. Okay, then click OK. Now we need to trim the unwanted portions. Okay, here we only need this portion, so this outer portions we don't need. So go to trim entities, come here, click the mouse button and drag. Okay, now you will create this shape. Click OK. Go to features, extruded boss base. To see the direction you need to select the isometric view. So now it is going outwards, but you need it inwards, so change the direction and give it a proper length or width. In this case, click OK and click escape. Now the second part is ready. Now the last portion is the third part. Okay, so I think we did it before. First of all we need to make this rectangle and make it the height of, we need to know the height. The height is from here to here, the height is 20 and from here to here it is 10. So again the height is 30. I think we did it before in lesson number, in this lesson I think it is similar dimension. Okay, in lesson number 4 we already did it. So the height is 30. Okay, now I will show you some other way to do it. Like last time we did it in a fillet mode, right? Now we will do it from the back side. Okay, from the back side we will start drawing it. Okay, so first of all we need to select the back side. Now we need to draw this first. So what is this length? So this is 10. Okay, this height is 10 here, then it is 20. Okay, so first of all what we will do, we will draw a complete rectangle of 10 and 60. Then we will draw this portion. Okay, so let's draw it. Go here, select this face, go to sketch, select a rectangle, draw a rectangle like this, click OK, go to smart dimension, this is 60 and the height is 10. Okay, so to the left, because we are seeing it from here, to the left side we will see a circle. Okay, so this circle is at a distance of 40, at a distance of 20 from here. The center is at a distance of 20. Because the diameter here is 40, the radius will be 20. That means this circle is at a distance of 20. Okay, so for that we need to draw a circle of diameter 20. Select circle, place it anywhere on the line, drag. Okay, so now this circle is at a distance of, first of all, the diameter of the circle is 40. Okay, now the diameter is given. After giving the diameter, we need to specify the distance from the center to the starting point. It is how much? 20. Okay, so now we need to delete the unwanted portions and click OK. Go to trim entities. We need to cut this, cut this, cut this, cut this. Okay, then click OK. Now we have this shape. This shape is ready. Go to features. So what is the width? This width is also 10. So go here, go to features, extruded boss base, 10. You need to see the direction. Okay, go to isometric. Now it is going outwards. So in order to make it inwards, you simply click here, the direction will change, then click OK. Then in order to remove these blue lines, press escape. Now here we have a circular hole. So how to make it? Click here, select normal to, go to sketch, select circle. So first of all you need to know the center. How to know the center? Go on to the circle first, this fillet or circle, then you will start seeing the center. Go to the center, place a circle, then click OK. Go to smart dimension, select it and give it a diameter of 20, then click OK. Go to features. We need to cut this portion, so extruded cut, select through all, click OK, then press Ctrl 7 to see the isometric view. So this is your exercise number 7. Okay, so now let's go to exercise number 8. So exercise number 8, if you watch this model, it is easier to draw in the front view. So now new file, select front plane, go to sketch, line. So we need to draw this shape first. Okay, like W. Now go here, first draw the shape. Okay, Now give the dimensions. It is 60 and the length is 60, height is 40. Go to smart dimension, length 60, height 40. Okay, now again this height is for 10, so click here, make it 10, zoom in, this also 10, so this distance, see here the total distance is 60, this is 10, this is 10, so this is 40. Or you can simply specify this distance as 10, this distance as 10, then it will automatically take. So now this is fully defined. Click OK, go to features. So we need to know the width before going into the features. So what is this width here? It is 40 again. Okay, so now go to features, extruded boss base, give it a width of 40, change the direction, click OK, press escape to remove the blue lines. Okay, now if you see here, it is a fillet, you can say, of diameter 40, any radius 20. So here this is 20 radius fillet. Go to fillet, select the radius 20, click this one and select OK. Now your fillet is ready. Now you need a hole here. So this is a concentric circle with this fillet. You can simply place the circle here. The diameter of the circle is 20 and the radius will be same as your fillet. Now select this face, go normal to, go to the sketch, select circle, keep your cursor here on the fillet to see the center, then go to the center, create a circle, click OK, go to smart dimension, give it a diameter of 20, then click OK. Now we need to cut this, go to feature, extruded cut, through all, click OK. Now again Control 7, then press escape to see the remove the blue lines. Okay, now you need to make a hole here, and also you need to make a fillet here on the same way, which is diameter 40, radius 20. So go to fillet 20. Now select this edge, click OK. Now this is your fillet. Now you need to make a hole. So the hole is on this face. So you have to select this face, select normal to, go to sketch, select circle, come to the midpoint here. Okay, this is your midpoint. Or you can simply go here onto the fillet, it will give you the center. Go to the center, draw the circle, click OK, give the smart dimension, it is diameter 20, click OK. Now we need to cut this portion, go to features, extruded cut, through all, click OK, then press Ctrl 7. Again to remove the blue circle, escape. So this is your exercise number 8. Now let's go to exercise number 9. Okay, so exercise number 9, I think it's easier to draw it in the top view. So the length of the figure is 60, height is 40, and width is 40. So in any view you can begin 60, 40, 40. Okay. So let's draw it in the top view. Okay, 60, 40, and height is also 40. So go to top plane, sketch, rectangle, click on the origin, go to smart dimension, length is 60, width is 40, and click OK. Go to features, height is 40 again. So 60, 40, 40. Okay. Now zoom to fit. Again go to top view, select normal to. Now we need to draw these two lines. Okay. So here this is this distance is 40, and if you see here this distance is 20. If this is 20, this is also 20. Yani this distance here is 20 and it is 40. Now go to sketch, select line, but here you need to select a different line, okay, which is midpoint line. Okay, select the midpoint line, go to midpoint, then drag it and leave. Again select a midpoint line, drag here, go to midpoint and drag it and leave. Okay, now go to smart dimension, go here, give it a distance of 20 and this as 40. Okay, now if you see here, if this is not aligning with the midpoint, you need to align it manually. Okay, see, this is not aligning with the midpoint, so align it like this, then click OK. Now select lines, click here and join the face like this. Click here. Now it is a closed part. Click OK. Now we need to cut this portion, okay, till a depth of 30. You can see the depth here. You need to cut this portion till a depth of 30. Okay, so go to features, extruded cut. If you want to see the direction, go here, see the direction, make it 30, then click OK, then press escape. Now what is remaining? See, we need to cut these two heights into half. Okay, these rectangles into, we need to make them like triangles. Okay, so how to do it? First of all, we need to know the dimensions. Okay, so at a height of 10, go till the edge. Okay, at a height of 10, from here to here, draw a line like this from the right side view. Okay, now select this right side face, select normal to, then go to sketch, select line. Here simply move your cursor upside till you see a dot. See, this is exactly at a height of 10. Okay, now simply drag your cursor so that you will see a dot here. So why this is dot is appearing means here you have a cut. See, because of this cut is exactly at a height of 10, that's why you are seeing that one. Okay, so select this face, normal to, go to line from here to here, then go till this corner, then come here, make it a triangle, then click OK, then go to features, extruded cut through all, then click OK, then press escape, control 7. So this is your exercise number 9. Then we will go for exercise 10. Okay, so exercise 10 also, like first of all we will create the base, then we will create this upside portion. Okay, so for this we will create the base first. So how this base is created, 40, 30, here it is 30, then you have a chamfer of 10 and 45, then that means we no need to do this 40 and 40, it is 20, 10, 20, 30. We will create this and make it a height of 10. Okay, so let's do it. So open, so we said we will select the top plane, this is top plane, go to top plane, go to sketch, select line, go straight, click OK, give the dimensions 40, 30, 30, so 40, 30, 20, 20, 40. Okay, now we need to extrude it till the height, which is 10. It's already 10. Click OK, escape. Here we have a chamfer 10 and 45. Go to chamfer 10, 45. Select this line, click OK. Then we have this second part, so it is of a length 30, 20, width 30, 20. Okay, click normal to, click OK, go to smart dimension, it is 30, this is 20, click OK. Then we need to know the height is 30 total, so this is 10, 30 minus 10 will be 20, so the height of this portion will be 20. Go to features, extruded boss base, give it 20 height, click OK, then press Ctrl 7 to see this. Okay, now you need to cut this portion, which is chamfer again, 10 45 degrees. So select chamfer, 10 mm distance and 45 degrees. Select this edge, click OK. Okay, now your figure is completed. So this is exercise number 10. So in upcoming 4 videos I will post the remaining 40 exercises. Okay, so thank you for watching.